Hey guys, it's me Tima and I'm back with a new video, and I have a hair video for you guys today, and Wigs sent me the wig that I have on right now. I'm gonna get into the specs of this wig as well as style it for you and all that good stuff. I've already done pretty much half the job. So I did not do my eyes yet, so I don't have on any mascara or eyeshadow. I did the rest of my face because I want to make my hair tutorials more interesting for you guys. So I'm gonna try to do a lime green eye look after styling the hair, and then I'm gonna get into the specs of this wig. So stay tuned for that. Alright you guys, so I'm just starting off with the wig. I already washed it. It's completely dry, so I'm going to straighten it with my straightener now. And I'm going for a really sleek look for this. I don't want any like hairs that are going to be wavy or curly or anything like that. I'm trying to get it as straight as possible, so I am passing it through a few times. And this is at a pretty hot setting, but I didn't film this on camera, but I already went in and I sprayed it with some heat protectant so it would stay a little bit more safe. And I'm just going to kind of go through and make it as straight as possible. And yay, now the wig is sleek and straight, and now I'm just gonna have to go in with my hair mousse and make sure that the top is as flat as possible, because once I take it off the wig head, then I have to make sure that I re-flatten it. So this takes care of at least half or more of the job. And next I'm just going in with my rat tail comb and making a part in the wig, because this is kind of what I want for my ponytail or just a sleek straight look. Now it's time to apply the wig. Most of the job is already done. Now I have to make sure that I re-flatten the hair. I don't have to do as much work on this because I've already done it the first time. And I'm gonna make sure that I match it to my scalp and skin color because it's not looking too seamless right now. And I'm re-flattening it with this brush that I have. I got this wig brush a long time ago, and I'm just using it on this. And I'm also going in, I'm just cutting some laces kind of sticking out. And now I have to go in with my gel and just kind of gel down my leave out that's right on the bottom of the lace. And here's a product that I haven't used on my channel before, which is a long time coming. It is the Got to Be Glued Freeze Spray. And this stuff honestly has helped me apply my wigs for the past couple of weeks, and it's a lifesaver. And now I'm just melting it into my scalp with my rat tail comb. I'm just making sure that everything really sticks well. Then I go in with the gel and I just lay down the baby hairs. Keep in mind, I kind of put my makeup way too high on my forehead, so it's kind of getting mixed in with the product that I'm using. So yeah. I want to warn you guys, my baby hairs honestly look a hot mess right now, and I kind of don't know how to fix them. I feel like it's a little bit too late because I put on my makeup before doing them, but I do want to lay this hair super flat and kind of just do just like a sleek ponytail that's like low or something for this wig. I'm gonna try to see if I can like fix some of this. Maybe I definitely can actually. Luckily this is not a baby hair tutorial. Alright, that's literally the best I'm gonna do for my edges. Okay, so this wig is a 22-inch. I've already straightened it out. It has like a natural wave to it, but I wanted more of a straight look just because I like a straight look on this hair specifically. Sometimes I keep my hair wavy. Other times, if it's like made in a specific way, I like to keep it to where it's straight. I braided my hair 2 nights ago and I braided it super flat, so that's why this wig also helped with that. I also straightened the wig on my mannequin head and that worked really well. Yeah, so this is a body wave wig. This is in a 22-inch and mine's in a natural hair color. It's gonna be $248. This is a 360 lace wig and it's 100% human hair. But yes, this wig is by WoWigsHair. This is the box that it comes in. I think it's super cute. It's adorable. And they kind of have a little postcard in here as well. And I think everything is really colorful. Actually, this time around, I did no plucking to this wig. Normally I would, but I really didn't have to. As you can see, like whenever I first put on this wig, there was like I didn't need to like go back in and pluck it or anything. It was completely fine by itself. I'm gonna go ahead and style this hair and then come back to you guys with the details and stuff. Okay, it doesn't say the density, but it's fine. It feels to me like it's 130. When it has a body wave, it definitely feels like 150. And I feel like this was the best job that I've done, even besides my hair BB wigs. This one, it lays down really flat, and I was just able to do that with my flat iron. As I was flat ironing the hair, it just worked really well with that. And also I made sure to pay attention to using this mousse before I put it on my head, which already helped to kind of shape the hair to make it flat. Making sure that the braids are as flat as possible is really important. I love how soft it is, especially even after I straightened it. Like, I'm gonna be going to an event this week, so I feel like I'm gonna definitely go for this wig because the look is very sleek, it's very nice, and it stays flat. And I personally love that, and I love my wigs to have that quality to it. I think it's a really nice, sleek and clean look. Right now, I'm gonna kind of speed up and do my eyes really quick on camera, and then I'm gonna go in afterwards and just talk about more of the specs of this unit so y'all can really know how it is. And even though I had some issues with the baby hairs and stuff, it was really easy for me to lay down the wig, and right now, it looks really seamless. So let's get on to the eyes. Okay, so I just kind of speeded through this eye look, but we're gonna go back into the specs of this hair. So this is a 22-inch wig. This is a body wave. As y'all can see on camera, like there's a lot of hair. I'm gonna kind of stand up so that y'all can kind of see how this looks. So it's like that, but this is a 22-inch. I would say it doesn't have a lot of thickness at the bottom, but it is true to its length. It has a lot of body, I guess, for the density that it does have. And then this is just the back. And it's just very flowy and very soft. Also, for it to not have that wiggish look, y'all. Like, I was not going for that to be. As far as the parting space, it goes back 4 to 6 inches. Yeah, so on the website, it says that it can be colored and restyled, and this does come with, clips on the inside as well as an adjustable strap. And the hair can be parted absolutely anywhere. I started out wearing this as a middle part, but I was like, no, I want to try a side part for it once. Yeah, I hope that you guys like this video. Thank you again to WoWigsHair for sending me this unit. I absolutely love it. And I'm gonna put the link down to this below, so go ahead and check it out, you guys. Thanks for watching, and I will talk to you guys later. Bye.